So hey, what's up guys? I am back with another makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna tell you it's inspired by I'm Kaylee makeup. I'm gonna put her picture over here. She did pink. I want to do blue because blue is my favorite color, and I want it to be a chocolate cow too. And I've seen some other people do it too before, and yeah, but seeing her, it was just like, you know what, I finally have to do it. So you know what, I finally did it. I'm a cow. Now, yes, I have one right here too, but you can't see it because my bangs. But you know what, I did put one up there just like she did. In this video, just keep on watching. So did you guys like this video? If you did, like and subscribe and comment down more what you want from me, and peace out.